Alright, so yesterday I had to cut the video a little short because we had people coming over that didn't like being on camera. Not everyone likes being on camera. I completely get it. Today, I'm going to be hanging out with my good friend Michael. We're going to be going on the boardwalk, skating a little bit. It's a little cold. It's obviously, late October at this point, so I'm going to be bundled up a little bit more because I'm just getting over a sickness. I'm not trying to get sick again. I wanted to use my GoPro because we haven't used it in like so long, right? And I ordered an SD card for it like, I don't know, like 2-3 days ago, and it hasn't come in yet. I'm hoping it comes in before I go to the boardwalk and before we skate, because that'd be great. If not, then this is just kind of gonna be a useless piece. Still gotta figure out where I'm putting this thing. That ain't coming off. Alright, so I'm gonna wait around a little bit before I leave. And I'm gonna make sure that this SD card doesn't come before I leave, because I really need this. If I don't, then that GoPro is kind of useless, but just gotta wait. Alright, that's enough waiting. So I'm gonna start heading over and pick up my friend. He's currently waiting on me, so I gotta go ahead and head over. Fortunately, the SD card didn't come, so I don't think I'll be getting any GoPro footage. There's always next time. What up?
Unlocking the car door would probably help a lot.
One of these days will help. And I left all my camera equipment at home, so I have to go all the way back to get my batteries now.
Alright, we could do that.
So we're gonna take a ride. So we're at the boardwalk. We got our boards.
This is a chode.
Alrighty.
He thinks it's cold. It's not cold.
It's cold to me,
It's
okay?
not
Leave me
cold.
alone.
It's 50 degrees out.
Why you bully me?
I haven't skated in so long.
Shake it out.
Pretty sure I just sat in water.
Probably.
Pretty sure I just sat in water.
There's a little bit of water on that bench.
Yeah, man, this time of year, I love the beach. It's nice and cool. It's not too hot. There's no one here. This is the way to go.
You're talking for yourself.
That's great. I love it. Everyone should go to the beach like this. It's fantastic.
I don't. No. I need my sun. I need the heat. I need the flames of hell just rising. I'm tired. Hey, how you doing? Obviously our boards had too much to drink.
Hey, face the camera towards here a second.
Who do you think you are?
I'm chilling, that's who I am. So nice around here. If you don't want to break your camera, don't do what I'm about to do. Bop Nation? Bop Nation, bro! Ready to head back?
Wait a second. Oh my god, my hair though.
Once again, if you don't want to break your camera, don't do this. It's a bad mistake. Why not? Check out the view. What's up, bro? How you doing? What's up? What you up to?
I literally felt my knee about to just collapse and I was like, nope, not okay.
So we just got done with the boardwalk. We just did the whole other way, and then we went that way. Actually, went that way first, and then went that way, the whole way, and then just walked back. We're gonna go get pizza. Gonna head over to a pizza place nearby. That's really good.
Gino's
Pizzeria
of Long Beach.
in Long Beach, New York. So get some good pizza and then head home. Yeah.
Better ingredients, better pizza. Michael.
Okay. That's getting cut. And what know what I'm gonna put for the title of this video?
No clue.
What we're doing is illegal. This is illegal. You cannot skate on this boardwalk. It said it as you walked up. No skateboards allowed on boardwalk. That's what it said.
Yeah, the funny thing is that's the thing in the largest print.
Yeah.
Like they also have like no scooters, no rollerblades.
And skateboards just bolded.
Skateboard
is bold.
Take like a size 14 font. Skateboards are like a size 30 font.
Look at that. We almost at 100,000. We almost made the 100K club. we about to be into 100K club.
We gotta like buy like party streamers.
Go to Party City real quick and just get for my car's birthday, for my car's mile-iversary.
Like we get to the pizza place, it's at 99,999, and we find the nearest party store. The second it hits 100, pop some pop
a streamer, the birthday stuff. Like I swear, stop zooming me in. Out of respect for the public and respect for the pizza place itself, I'm not gonna bring the camera in because I don't feel comfortable with it, and it's a pretty big restaurant, so I don't trust it as much. So we're gonna get food and we'll be back. I'm so excited for pizza.
I'm so excited.
Open the box.
All right, guys, we're doing an unboxing, okay? All right, from Gino's Pizzeria.
Show me. Open the box.
Okay,
Open the box.
What the hell are we?
Drug addicts.
Exactly.
Come on! Change it! Just got this is more than a mile! Ah! 100,000! 100,000!